วัสดีครับ Hello everyone. Welcome to Speak Thai with me, Paul. I am now filming my video in Bath Spa. In this new series of videos, you will learn how to use adverbs in Thai conversation. But before we begin, how do you say adverbs in Thai? Come visit. Come visit, where come refers to words. So just like adverbs in English, Thai adverbs come visit are words visit to describe a verb such as to sing loudly, an adjective such as tall, very tall, and even another adverb such as quickly, too quickly. And just like English adverbs, there are different types of Thai adverbs, such as adverbs of frequency, how often, adverbs of manner, how, adverbs of degree, how much, adverbs of time, when, adverbs of place, where, comparative adverbs, more, superlative adverb, most, and even conjunctive adverbs.
Hey guys, I am back. The first type of Thai adverbs are the adverbs of frequency which you will be learning in this first series of videos. But what are adverbs of frequency? They are words that you use to say how often someone does something or how often something happens. And to ask just how often, you can say boy can I, boy can I. In Thai, boy means often, care means just, and nai means which. Yes, boy can I is asking just to which extent is often. That is just how often. For example, to ask someone just how often do you exercise คุณออกกำลังกายบ่อยแค่ไหนคุณออกกำลังกายบ่อยแค่ไหนคุณ refers to you and ออกกำลังกาย is to exercise. So คุณออกกำลังกายบ่อยแค่ไหนคุณออกกำลังกายบ่อยแค่ไหน is asking just how often do you exercise. Another example, to ask just how often does it rain. ฝนตกบ่อยแค่ไหนฝนตกบ่อยแค่ไหนฝน refers to rain and ตก is to fall. So ฝนตกบ่อยแค่ไหนฝนตกบ่อยแค่ไหน is asking just how often does it rain. This for you in spoken Thai. Instead of asking just how often, you can just ask is it often บ่อยไหมบ่อยไหม Boy means often, which you learned earlier, and my is a question word. So boy my is asking is it often. For example, to ask someone is it often you drive to work คุณขับรถไปทำงานบ่อยไหมคุณขับรถไปทำงานบ่อยไหมคุณ refers to you ขับรถ is to drive ไป is to go and ทำงาน is to work. So คุณขับรถไปทำงานบ่อยไหมคุณขับรถไปทำงานบ่อยไหม is asking someone is it often you drive to work another example to ask is it often Thai people eat at home คนไทยกินที่บ้านบ่อยไหมคนไทยกินที่บ้านบ่อยไหมคนไทย refers to Thai people กิน is to eat ที่ means at and บ้าน refers to home so คนไทยกินที่บ้านบ่อยไหมคนไทยกินที่บ้านบ่อยไหม is asking is it often Thai people eat at home And to answer how often questions in Thai, you have to use adverbs of frequency. But do you know that there are two types of adverbs of frequency? They are indefinite and definite. For adverbs of indefinite frequency, you do not know exactly how often someone does something or how often something happens. And the spectrum of indefinite frequency ranges from always to never. Always เสมอเสมอ usually ปกติปกติ generally โดยทั่วไปโดยทั่วไป often บ่อยบ่อย sometimes บางครั้งบางครั้ง occasionally เป็นครั้งคราวเป็นครั้งคราว seldom ไม่ค่อยไม่ค่อย rarely เทพจะไม่เทพจะไม่ ever เคยเคย and lastly never ไม่เคยไม่เคย On the other hand for adverbs of definite frequency you know exactly how often someone does something or how often something happens. And the spectrum of definite frequency normally uses ทุก high tone ทุก to specify the exact time interval an action occurs. In Thai, ทุก means every. For example, every second ทุกวินาทีทุกวินาทีวินาที refers to second every minute ทุกนาทีทุกนาทีนาที refers to minute every hour ทุกชั่วโมงทุกชั่วโมงชั่วโมง refers to hour every day ทุกวันทุกวันวัน refers to day every week ทุกสัปดาห์ทุกสัปดาห์สัปดาห์ refers to week every month ทุกเดือนทุกเดือนเดือน refers to month every year ทุกปีทุกปีปี refers to year this for you you can also use ครั้ง with ละ or ต่อ to specify the exact number of times an action occurs per time interval in Thai ครั้ง refers to the number of occurrences of an action and ละ or ต่อ means per. For example, once a year ปีละครั้ง ปีละครั้ง twice a month เดือนละสองครั้ง เดือนละสองครั้ง สอง means two. 3 times a week สามครั้งต่อสัปดาห์สามครั้งต่อสัปดาห์สาม means three.
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now you know what are the adverbs of frequency in Thai. And if you want to know how to use them correctly in Thai conversation, don't miss my next upcoming video. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, click like on the link below. If you find my video meaningful, click share, click subscribe if you wish to see more of my future videos. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ